there's a lot of different credit cards that's out there. Example, this is my Navy Federal card, and with my Navy Federal card, it's with MasterCard, so I can use this wherever MasterCard is accepted. You also have Visa out there, you got American Express, you have Discover, and check and see who it is. So this right here again is MasterCard, so I can use this wherever MasterCard is accepted. If it's a store card, you can only use it at the store. If you don't see no symbol right here, it's most likely a store card. Now sometimes people will get it confused too. Like I tell people to apply for, let me share my screen with you all. I tell people to apply for cards like the Lexus credit card, right? And when I tell you guys to apply for a card like this one, they have a Visa card, and then they just have the Visa Pursuits credit card, just like a regular credit card. Now the Visa one you can use everywhere. But if you guys have like just a regular credit card with them, you can only use it there. Now, somebody actually just commented on one of the videos about one of these cards, because I have the Lexus, I have the Toyota, I have a few of these credit cards. So make sure you guys scroll through my channel to see those different credit cards. But somebody said if you have their store card, you can use that for a rental. So I was like, oh, and that's good. You can use that for a rental. So that is very helpful information, that you can definitely use that store card for a rental. But if it's Visa or MasterCard, you can use it anywhere. You can usually use it at most places. Let me not say anywhere. Even when you guys go outside of the country, you can use it there. But make sure you get one of the cards that don't have like a foreign transaction fee like Discover. Okay, make sure you get them. And then I have the $50 credit with Discover. If you guys is interested, it should be on my website. Hopefully I still have enough by the time you watch this video though. Let me say that by the time you watch this video, hopefully I still should have enough.